In the heart of an uncharted jungle, a team of dedicated archaeologists embarks on a quest to uncover the long-lost treasures of ancient civilizations, driven by tales of mythical riches. As they decipher clues from a mysterious stone tablet, the team is led to a breathtaking hidden waterfall where whispers of history and treasures await beneath the shimmering surface. With each careful excavation, the team uncovers ornate artifacts that reveal the rich stories and culture of a forgotten civilization, culminating in the discovery of a dazzling golden relic that promises to change their understanding of history. As night falls, the archaeologists gather around a campfire, fervently discussing the significance of their incredible find, unaware that a mysterious figure lurks in the shadows, intent on seizing the treasures they have unearthed. In a sudden turn of events, the team races through the jungle, adrenaline pumping as they hear the ominous sounds of pursuers leading them to the sanctuary of a hidden cave that holds the key to their survival and the treasures of the ancients.